What's up, team? So this video is how we determine when to go ahead and jump into a certain company that we want to go ahead and buy shares from. So right off the bat, we want to go ahead and pull up the Jungle Trader checklist, and this Jungle Trader checklist is on our group. So if you haven't been added to the Monkey Business group, right now is the best time to go ahead and join. With that being stated, following the trader checklist, we want to go ahead and make sure that the company we're trading is a blue chip stock, meaning that the market cap is over 5 billion. Once again, we're on Yahoo, we're looking at the market cap. Would you say 98.142 billion is over 5 billion? I would say yes. So let's go ahead and jump in. Alright guys, awesome. So we can go ahead and scratch that off our checklist. Now moving to the second criteria, we want to make sure that the trade is in an ascending pattern, meaning it's going upward. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 180-day chart, which is the 6-month chart. And to our liking, it is actually in an ascending pattern. Once again, this is a 180-day chart. That's how you take a look at whether or not the company is trading in an ascending pattern. Awesome, team. Now next up, 3 reasons why you are investing in that stock. And this is where due diligence comes into play. This is just to make sure that we're investing into a company that if for any reason we just weren't able to go ahead and trade for a couple days from now, it really wouldn't bother us. And this at the same time helps with the psychological part of investing. So 3 reasons why I can tell you right now that I'd like to go ahead and invest into Square is, first off, it's met all of the criteria that I'm looking at. Secondly, there's been a lot of growth based off of the newest acquisition, or the most recent acquisition, which was Cash App. Now, Jack Dorsey, which is also the owner of Snap, actually owns Square, and they were able to go ahead and acquire Cash App. And just growth in essence, they're actually allowing purchase and transactions with Bitcoin. So I see a lot of growth when it comes to this stock. And actually, to correct myself, it's not It's not Snapchat. It's Twitter. Yeah, Jack Dorsey owns Twitter, so same shit. And not only that, guys, but also ARK Investments. It's something that you'll probably hear a lot from me, but there's so many investors jumping into Bitcoin, and at the same time, just digital wallets will be the hypothetical future. So those are my 3 reasons. So based off of the 180-day chart, which is the 6-month chart, you're able to go ahead and see the SMA line. This is the moving average, which is, once again, the average trending price of the stock. All right, team, so what I'm able to go ahead and identify with this pattern is that anytime Square hits below the simple moving average and all of a sudden starts trending back up, there is a segment, or there is a gap of profitability. As you can go ahead and see here, it starts trending back up, it surpassed the SMA line, it allows you time to go ahead and jump in and make some profit. Same thing again. Goes under the SMA line, is under for a while, but once it does surpass the SMA line, as you get confirmation here, it allows you, a profitability period. Same thing right here. Starts going under, starts making its way back up, does surpass the SMA line. You wait for confirmation here, and it allows you a profitability period. There we go again. Goes down for a little bit, starts picking it back up. You get confirmation here. It allows for another profitability period. Same thing right here, going back down. And hopefully, moving forward, and once again, we will wait for confirmation. Confirmation is once this we get a couple candlesticks over the SMA, 1 to 2, in your case 2. Just be very mindful. That's when we'll go ahead and jump in. Now, if for some reason, once we do get confirmation and it does pass the SMA line and it continues to go ahead and move forward, This is where those key factors come into play. Things such as that monkey mindset, and not being greedy. Do not be greedy. Go ahead and cut losses, or excuse me, go ahead and cut profits as soon as you can. Make sure it's something that's somewhat of a good profit, but at the same time, not too much. Don't get too greedy. We're just getting started, and this is to go ahead and build up your confidence as a trader. That way, next time we recognize a pattern such as this, you're able to go ahead and make your entry point and your exit point with ease and with confidence. Because ultimately, that's what that's what sets successful traders apart. So, guys, I hope this was super helpful. If you guys would like more examples or just anything you guys want me to go ahead and cover in more detail, let me know. But other than that, shout out to those on the Discord chat. Let's hit this tomorrow and let's make that money. All right, peace.